Hello friends and welcome to this video. In this video, we will install Kali Linux in Virtualbox using Windows 10. Before we start this process, we need some tools to be downloaded first. So let's start. First, open your browser and go to 7-zip website, which is 7-zip.org. You need 64-bit utility of 7-zip. Click download. Once this is downloaded, then go to Virtualbox website, which is virtualbox.org. Click downloads, and now you have to download Windows host. Once it's downloaded, now you need Virtualbox extension pack. Scroll down a bit and click on all supported platforms under Virtualbox 7.0.8 Oracle VM Virtualbox extension pack. Go to Kali Linux website, which is kali.org. Click downloads. Now click virtual machines. Okay, it will show you the different pre-built images of Kali Linux for different virtual hosts. We need image for Virtualbox. Now click download. It will download the Kali Linux image for Virtualbox. We have downloaded all the required tools. Start the 7-zip installer and click install. It will ask you to reboot the system. Click yes. We have rebooted the system. Now we will install Virtualbox. Start the Virtualbox installer. Click next. Click next. Click yes. Click yes and click install. Virtualbox successfully installed. Now we will install extension pack. Double click on the extension pack. It will automatically open the Virtualbox and ask you to install the extension pack. Extension pack installed. Now we need to extract the Kali Linux 7z file, which we have just downloaded from the kali.org website. Right click on the file and click extract. Now you need to move the Kali Linux image files to some other good location. In my case, I am moving this file into my G drive. Here I am creating a folder with the name of Kali Linux. Now I will paste those files in this folder. Open Virtualbox, click add. Now go to the location where you just copied those files. Now select .vbox file and click open. Here you can see that machine is loaded with default configuration and the base memory is 2 GB. We have to change it to at least 4 GB. Now click on settings. Here you can change the name of the machine if you want to. Click on Systems and set base memory to 4096 MB. Now click Networks and make sure adapter 1 is attached to NAT. Click OK and start virtual machine. Okay, our machine is started. The default password for this machine is Kali and Kali. Click Login. Our machine successfully installed, up and running. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.